First, I want to thank everybody who's all the kind words we've been getting for ReinCarNation. It's not without you. We couldn't get it done without you all. So keep those cards and letters coming. And I wish I could shoot all the cars here, but if I can't, then please do send in some photos. We can always use those. But first, I just want to say, we know that Carroll Shelby was known for breaking rules. Well, the one I've picked is definitely a rule breaker, and rules are made to be broken. So this Best in Show, or rather its Editor's Choice Award for ReinCarNation, is to Kevin Beeman for Jazzman the Flip Top. Congratulations. People have been surrounding this car all day. And we plan to run a feature on it in an upcoming issue. Way to go. Okay.
It is a very highly customized replica of a 1965 Shelby Cobra. There's a lot of custom work in it, most notably the front of it that lifts up. That is definitely not stock, but there's a lot of other custom work in it. But that's the basics of it. The innards of it is very much a 2016 Mustang. The engine is out of a 2016 Mustang. The rear end is 2016 Mustang. So I could take this to a Ford dealership and get it serviced if necessary, but it has the look of the classic vehicle with the dependability of the modern engine.
This is my favorite show of the year because of the setting. I mean, just being near the Huntington Beach Pier, Southern California, it doesn't get any better than this. It's car culture in Southern California, and the Cobras, all the Factory 5 replicas, they all represent the core of car culture for Southern California in the style of the cars, and that's what really makes this special.